Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to download Ethernet drivers for your Windows 11 and how we can do this up. So let's dive into the workaround. First one, you just have to go over here or navigate to Device Manager. If you're on the Windows 11, you just have to right click and you just have to go up and click on Device Manager. From here, you just have to navigate to Network Adapters. You just have to expand this. Right now, as you can see, Intel R wireless is our Ethernet. So what you have to search this one. Okay, so it depends from person to person. So I have already searched it. Right now, as you can see, Intel R wireless. So I just have to open the official .com. Now from here, what I have to do is I just have to download the respective one. If depends on a PC, like if it is 64, you have to download for the same. If it is 32, you have to download the same, and you just have to download and install it. And most probably after trying this, the issue regarding this will be completely fixed, and you just have to install the .exe over here after unzipping or extracting it. And once it is done, you're good to go, and this is how you can do this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.